How to report Facebook account using my photos. So if you want to report Facebook account which is using your photos, then first open up your Facebook application. Once you're here on the Facebook, you just need to go for the account of that person who is using your photos. So for example, I'll be choosing a person. Once you've chosen, now you just need to go for the right side which has that three dots icon, and here you need to go for report profile. And once you're here, you need to go for pretending to be someone and choose me. And once you've chosen me, then you need to report that to Facebook. And once you've reported the profile, now you need to go back and then choose the profile picture. And once you've chosen the profile picture here, this person doesn't have any profile picture, but if they have a profile picture, for example this person, then go for the upper right and go for report photo, and then you need to again report the photo. Go for something else and select a reason and then report the photo. So once you've reported the photo and once you've reported the profile, then Facebook will take action on that profile. So that's how you can report Facebook account using my photos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.